Hello everyone. Today I am going to take a lecture on fluid mechanics. So first question come in mind, what is fluid? So the definition of fluid is a substance that has tendency to flow or start to flow when any amount of shear stress is applied. So here start to flow means continuous deformation. Means when in a fluid we applied any amount of shear stress, it will start to flow. And the difference, this is very important. What is the difference between solid and fluid? So in a solid, we know the solid have a definite shape and volume. And in a solid, the molecules are tightly packed and fixed. Solid cannot deform continuously under shear force. Molecules closely spaced with strong attraction and vibrating but fixed in a place. Solids resist shear stress and maintain the shape. The deformation is limited and often reversible. Means when we want to deform any solid, here we can see in figure, if we applied here some force, F shear force on this solid, so it will deform, but this deformation is not continuous. But in the case of here, we can see between two plates, here fluid is there. When we applied a shear force on this fluid, so it will start deform. This deformation is continuous deformation. So in a fluid does not have any preferred shape. They will take the shape of the container, shape of the container. They will take shape of the container, and molecules are more loosely packed compared to solid and able to move past each other freely. So and fluid also have soft and easy to deform. The deformation continues under shear stress. So fluid is categorized in a two division. Number one, liquids, and number two, gases. Liquid are generally considered as a less compressible. These are the less compressible because when we compress the liquid, the density is not significant change and occupy a fixed volume, that volume of the container. It will take the shape of the container, shape of the container. and they have the free surface. All the liquid have free surface. We know if water in a any glass, so in the top there is a free surface. This free surface act as a stress membrane, elastic membrane due to the surface tension. In an example, we have already seen the insect can sit on the surface of the water. So, and liquid have higher viscosity than the gases. Liquid have higher density than gases, but lower density than solid. Except here one exceptional case is there in a water denser than the ice. And here we can, this is the reason when we put ice cube in a water, so they will float, float on this in the water. This is the reason because the ice density is lower than the water. Water density is higher than the density of ice.